Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. We need to create a virtual machine using Oracle VirtualBox. So now we will see how to create a virtual machine, a Linux virtual machine, and then we will see how to install Linux in your system. So here we go with the creation of a VirtualBox. So to create a VirtualBox, you can go to the machine menu and click on new, or you can click on the new button here. So just click on this, provide a name for your virtual machine. So I'll say Ubuntu VirtualBox, that is VB. Then you need to provide the location for your VirtualBox. Click on others and select the location where you want to store your VirtualBox. So I'll create a new folder, Ubuntu VirtualBox. Select the folder and you can select the type of the operating system that you want to install. So we want to install Linux, and the version of the operating system is Ubuntu 64. So here you can see there are so many versions of the operating systems that you can select. So out of that we will be selecting Ubuntu 64. Then click next, provide the memory. So we will select 2 GB of memory for our VirtualBox or virtual machine. Then click next. So now we need to add a hard disk for our virtual machine. So what we want to do, so do not add a virtual hard disk. So if you don't want to add the virtual hard disk while creating your VirtualBox or virtual machine, so you can select this option, or if you already have an existing virtual hard disk, so you can use this option. But now we don't have, we are going to create a virtual hard disk right now. So we'll select create virtual hard disk, then click on create. So these are the three options. These are three types of the hard disk that we create in Oracle VirtualBox. So we will be using the first one, Oracle the VirtualBox disk image. Then click next. Now how do you want to save your hard disk? So what will be the type of the hard disk? So we will use the dynamically allocated. So the dynamically allocated hard disk will only use the space on your physical disk as it fills up. So it will not block the 10 GB of space that we have selected. So it will dynamically allocate that space. So as and when you save your data in your virtual machine, the space will be automatically increased up to 10 GB. Then click on next. Now here you need to select the folder. So by default the folder has been selected. So the virtual disk will be stored in the same folder. And now we need to provide the space, how much space you want to allot to your virtual machine. So here I have selected 20 GB. Then click on create. So now your virtual machine has been created. So this is how we create a virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox Manager. So in the next video we will see how to install Ubuntu 20.04 version of Linux. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel. And please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.